Hi friends, I'm Joydeep. How are you? Today we are going to make dancing noodles experiment. Are you excited? I'm excited. For this experiment, we need baking soda, cooked noodles, flask, vinegar and water, and paper napkins. What to do? Fill the conical flask to the middle line with water. Fill the rest of the flask with vinegar. Add several pieces of the cooked spaghetti broken into small pieces about 1 inch. Add a tablespoon of baking soda and see what happens. Always have a towel handy as this can get messy. Add another tablespoon of baking soda to start the dance party again. The noodles dance because of the carbon dioxide bubbles created by the mixture of vinegar and baking soda. These bubbles make the noodles lighter, causing them to float up then sink back down when the bubbles release into the air. Key concept: when an acid vinegar and a base baking soda meet, they make a gas called carbon dioxide. When